My name is Christina Jambaska, and I'm a Senior Product Manager for Real Solutions here at GRESB. Today, I wanted to give you a quick overview of the last round of updates we implemented to the Real Benchmarks dashboard. As a quick recap, the Real Benchmarks dashboard is a dynamic tool in the GRESB portal. It is linked live to the data that users provide in the asset portal and doesn't rely on assessment submission. And what it does is it allows users to better understand their asset performance when it comes to energy and GHG, estimate any missing gaps in the data, and benchmark their assets within their own portfolio, the GRESB universe, as well as the CREM pathways without having to provide any additional data in the asset portal. Up until now, the way in which we defined benchmarking against the GRESB universe only included a comparison against the GRESB median for the specific property, subtype, and country that the asset is located in. We have now expanded the benchmark features to also include the GRESB top 15 and top 30%, as well as the ASHRAE EU-wide thresholds. What this means for EU-based participants is that they will be able to conduct taxonomy alignment analysis using the top 50 and top 30%. And for global participants, they can now use the ASHRAE thresholds to compare themselves against the globally applicable and standard-backed definition of energy efficiency. To show you how those changes are implemented in practice, here you can see the drop-down where participants can toggle between either the 50th or 30th percentile or against the ASHRAE EU-wide threshold. The default view will continue to be the GRESB median, but they will be able to toggle between that and customize their own analysis. The same insights are also available on the GHG side. Of course, here we don't have the ASHRAE thresholds. Those are only applicable to energy, but the top 15th and 30th percentile are there. Another improvement that we made is that we now also provide more detailed information around what exactly is the size of the GRESB universe that they are being compared against. So here in the hover feature, you can see a definition of the benchmark. And if you go to the GRESB median or top 15 or 30%, you can see the count of assets and the property type and region or country that they're compared against. Those insights, as well as all of the new thresholds, are also available for export. So here you can see all of the data that's available for those entities, the definition of the GRESB benchmark, as well as the different thresholds, as well as the ASHRAE UI thresholds, CREM intensity, and all other information that's available in the dashboard. This allows users to download the data and then clean it up, sort it, integrate it in their own systems, or carry any additional analysis offline. Something else that we improved more on the UI side is the reports generation feature. So previously, the entire dashboard was available for PDF download. But what we realized is that users would probably want to share individual insights from the dashboard with some of their internal stakeholders that maybe don't have access to the GRESB portal. So now they can click on the download feature and they see an optimized view together with description of what exactly are they looking at, what does the graph mean, and what are the insights that we present, together with some more information about the methodology that we used. They can export this in PDF, they can open it separately, and then they will be able to hand it over to other internal stakeholders. In terms of next steps for the tool, what we are currently working on is the data refresh for October. What this is going to include is the new GRESB benchmarks, which are based on the 2025 submitted data from the real estate assessment. And we are also working on incorporating the new CREM pathways, which are the result of the CREM North America project, now that this is also finalized. This is everything that I wanted to show you today. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. Have a nice day.